BrightStep floor coatings. We're in Seabrook, New Hampshire. We're wrapping up our final day here at Fantasy Fireworks. What we got down right now is our SOLIDTREAD flake, which started with a moisture vapor barrier, and then it has their choice of color, which was COMET. And it's going to be finished off today with polyaspartic. That's going to give them a great abrasion resistance, chemical resistance, and be easy to clean for a long time. So again, if you have any questions about a project you have coming up, give us a call.